Hi guys, I was gifted this greenhouse from Garvee so I could put it up and show you all its cool features and show you how to install it. All right, this is what the contents of the box look like. Here's the greenhouse material and we have all the pipes. So I'm going to go ahead and follow the instructions here. Okay guys, so I've put it all together. The instructions had the numbers of which pole goes where, and then you just kind of secure with a bolt and a nut, and so it has all the piping. The next thing I got to do is put on the cover here, and then I can show you the finished product. Okay, I slid over the greenhouse plastic cover. It has ties that I still need to tie here to fasten it in place. And it's got little vent windows here. And it has the big door here that you can roll up and then tie with those ties. So let me finish tying it and I'll show you the finished product. Okay guys, I got it all finished up here. I tied the plastic onto the frame. It has, like I said, those ties to roll up the front here when you want to go in and out of it. And of course it'll zip up when you want to close it up for a greenhouse. So it's a nice looking greenhouse. It's got these vent windows here on the sides. There's 4 of them on each side. So if you guys need a greenhouse, go ahead and get this Garvee greenhouse. It looks great and it's going to work great for when I put some plants in there. Thanks.